This tutorial is on how to add content to your management company profile page. We will look at adding pictures to your gallery, a logo, any perks and values, people that work at your company, and finally, causes and culture that you would like to promote. If you're creating a profile page for your property, please refer to How to Add Content to My Property tutorial video. Once you're logged in, click on Profile Content on the left menu. Here you will see stats on total number of profile views, as well as the general completeness of your profile. You can also click on View Profile to view your current profile page. First, we'll fill out the Details tab. Here you will add a logo and add some additional information about the company. To add the logo, you can either drag an image here or click to browse your files on your computer. There is no size restriction on the logo, as the platform will automatically scale the image as needed, but we do advise the logo to be of high resolution. You can also place a request here to update the name and the address by clicking on Change Name or Address. The request will be received by our HCareers Customer Success team to review and approve this request. Next, add a brief description of your company. Note the description is limited to 500 characters. Here you'll also have an option to update your organization type and also link your social media. Currently, we only support Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. When ready, click Save. You will get a notification on your screen confirming the changes have been saved. Next, click on the Gallery tab. Here you can add images to your company. Generally, there's no limitations on the number of images or videos you can add to your gallery, but we do advise to add a maximum of 10 images or videos. To add an image, click on the plus sign. Select a PNG or JPEG formatted image. Here, you'll be able to crop the image as needed. You have an option to type a caption in relation to the image as well, and set the image as the main image of your profile page. Then click Add. To add a video, click on the plus sign. Then click on the Video tab. Here you can enter a URL of a video from a YouTube or Vimeo only. We do not support other providers. Caption for the video will be pre-populated with the text associated with the video. When ready, click Add. Repeat the process to add more images or videos to your gallery. Make sure to load the images and videos in the order you want them to appear. You will not be able to move the images around once they have been uploaded. Next, click on the Inheritance tab. Here you'll be able to manage what content is cascaded down and made available to your properties for their profile pages. Properties will not be forced to use this content and have an option to opt out. Click on Change Preferences to update your data inheritance preferences. Here you'll be able to set if all your properties can inherit your company's gallery, perks, people, and causes and culture. Values of the management company are inherited by default by the properties and cannot be opted out. You'll also be able to see which properties have opted out to inherit any of this content. You can do this by clicking on View Opt-outs under each section. Once you're happy with your preferences, click Save. On this page, you'll also be able to see the summary of data inheritance by all properties. Inherited means the property has inherited all the content. Custom means the properties have chosen to inherit some content. Next, click on Perks to add perks employees will receive once they join your company. Click Add to add a perk. Select a perk from the drop-down list and choose if it's for a salaried or an hourly employee or both. Note you cannot create your own perk and have to choose from the drop-down list. Click Add. The total list of perks will appear here. You will be able to edit and delete perks. Next, click on Values to add a maximum of 7 values. Click on the plus sign and select a value from the drop-down list. Note you cannot create or add your own value to the list. All your values will appear here and you will be able to edit or delete any of these values. Once you've added all your 7 values, the plus sign will disable. Next, click on People to add information about employees one can expect to work with at your company or to promote the management team. To add information, image, or testimonial about the person, click on Add. Fill out the details of the person. If you choose to upload a video, please only enter URLs from YouTube or Vimeo. Once you've filled out the details, click Add. Currently, there is no limitation on the number of people you can add, but we do advise to add a maximum of 6 people. Finally, add any causes the company would like to promote or the type of culture the company has by clicking on Causes. Then click on the Add button. You can add a video or an image, title and description of your cause or your culture. You also have an option to link the culture or the cause to more than one of your company values. Once all the content of your cause or culture has been added, click Add. Once all the content has been added, the profile completeness will be 100%. You'll also be able to click on View Profile to review your page with the content you have added. Thank you.